In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Trading 212 card. This is an essential step if you want to streamline your financial transactions and take full advantage of the Trading 212 platform. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process to get your own Trading 212 card. First off, you need to head over to trading212.com. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up, but for today's demonstration, I'll assume you already have one. Enter your credentials and log in. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard where all your trading activities and account settings are displayed. Now, at the top of the page, you'll see various options and tabs. Look for the section that's labeled Card. This is usually easy to spot due to its prominent placement. Go ahead and click on this Card section. Here, Trading 212 provides a range of features designed to enhance your trading and personal finance experience, and the card is a part of this suite. Next, you're going to want to click on the option that says Get Your Card Now. By doing this, you initiate the process of acquiring your Trading 212 card. This card acts like a debit card, allowing you to seamlessly access your funds. The platform might prompt you here with some enticing details about the card's benefits, such as low fees or high withdrawal limits, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with these. The fourth step involves setting up your account if you haven't already done so. This might include confirming your personal details, such as your residential address or your contact information. It's crucial to ensure that all your submitted information is up to date and accurate, as this will be vital when verifying your identity. Speaking of verification, the next step is a very important one, verifying your identity. This process typically requires you to submit some form of government-issued identification. A passport or driver's license will suffice for most users. Just follow the prompts to upload your documentation and be prepared for a short wait time while your submission is reviewed. Trading 212 takes security very seriously, so this step helps protect your account and identity. Once your identity has been verified, it's time to add funds to your account. This step is straightforward and usually involves linking a bank account or another payment method to your Trading 212 account. Having funds readily available in your account ensures that you can start using your card immediately once it's issued. And that's it. Following these steps will have you on your way to effectively utilizing your new Trading 212 card, enhancing your trading flexibility and financial control. If you run into any issues, check the Trading 212 support page for help. Thanks for watching and happy trading.